Today we're going to be learning about finding the volume of irregular shapes. So to start, we have a shape that has multiple parts and we could cut it in order to help us find the volume. As you can see, I cut the box into two different shapes so that way I could find the volume by using length times width times height of each. As you can see, there were some extra numbers located on the shape, so we need to determine which ones are not being used. For box 1, we know that we need to use the length of the full size, the width, and the height. Now the height did not change at all for box 1 and 2. And when we cut the 8 in half, our width ended up being the same as well. When looking at the length for box 2, we knew that it was going to be shorter than 4. So we needed to pick the 2 that was the length for box 2. Next, we need to find the volume of each box. For box 1, we have length times width times height, which is 4 times 4 times 2. I know that 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. So box 1 has a volume of 32 cubic units. For box 2, we have to do length times width times height. So we have 2 times 4 times 2. I know that 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. So the volume of box 2 is 16 cubic units. The final step is to add our two volumes together to find the total. 32 plus 16 equals 48 cubic units. And that's how you find the volume of an irregular shape.